guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another topic related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus, minus, multiplication, and division. So we have to solve this quiz using bound task and bottom method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list, we have four answers. A is 11, B is 20, C is 30, and D is 40. So let's see after solving it, which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, odd mass and Panda's rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. As the rule says, if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to take the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar signs, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. So according to the Bodmer and Pandas rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or you can say the parenthesis. So in this expression, we have this bracket which contains two operation, division and subtraction, and also we have a number which has the power. So first of all, we have to solve the bracket. We have decided, but inside the bracket we contain multiple operations, and also we have an exponent part, or you can say the order of operations. So first of all, we have to solve this uh, order of operation or exponent part, which is 6 raised to power 2. So first of all, we will write 6 raised to power 2 means 6 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 36, and divided by 2 minus 3, we will write here as is divided by 3 multiplied by 6. Here again we have to write as, and here we have to give the reference 6 raised to power 2 equals to 36. Right, like this way. Okay, now move forward. We have solved exponent part. Now move forward. Again, we have to solve this bracket, and inside the bracket, we have like division sign and also subtraction sign. So first of all, according to the rule, we have to solve the division and multiplication, or you can say the multiplication and so what we have to do, we have here like 36 divided by 2, it becomes like 80, and minus 3 is right here. Here we have like divided by 3 multiplied by 6. And here we have to give the reference 36 divided by 2 equals to 8. Now move forward. We have again bracket. So we solve this bracket. It becomes 18 minus 3. It becomes 15. And divided by, we will write here 3 multiplied by 6 as it is. And here we have to give the reference 18 minus 3 equals to 15. Now move forward. We have to solve the bracket. Now we have the division and multiplication. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 15 divided by 3. So it becomes like 5 multiplied by 6. And here we have to give the reference 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. And we have two terms like which are multiplying each other. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is 30. So the answer of the given expression is 30. If you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in the class. Bye bye.